girls, before grade 7 girls, let us revise what we have studied yesterday. It was about circumference of a circle. Please tell me the formula. What is circumference of circle? What do I have to see? This is the circle. And what is the diameter? If I say diameter, this is the diameter. From here to here is called the diameter. And if we have only, if we have only half given, that is called the radius. That is called radius. This is what I have explained you yesterday, that this is diameter D and this is half means R. Sometimes if they just give you R, just double it and you will know the diameter. What is the formula of circumference of a circle? What did I teach you yesterday? Something called as pi d, remember? Remember that? Pi. Was it pi d? Girls, was it?
Yes.
What is the value of pi? 3.1.
3.15.
You always have to remember that. And diameter, whatever it is given in the question. So this is a quick revision, a quick review what we did yesterday. Now, coming to 8.5, we'll continue with 8.5. Solve problems involving circumference of a circle. So please turn to page number. Wait a minute. Turn to page number 443. (444). Leave this one. Page 444. First one. What is the circumference of a circle with a radius of 5 inches? Girls, first thing, whenever you have such questions of area and stuff, you draw that. Okay, I draw the circle. And in the circle, what did they say is? Did they give you diameter or did they give you radius? Yes, Judy, what did they give us? Radius or diameter? Judy? Radius. So radius is from here or from the middle point till here. This is sorry. This is the radius. Am I correct?
Yes.
How much it is? How much it is? What is given in the question? Read the question, Zishan.
What is the circumference of a circle with a radius of 5 inch?
Okay, what is the formula of C? C equals pi d. Right? Pi over d. Zishan, did they give you the d? Did they give you diameter in the question?
No.
They gave you R. R is how much? 5. 5 inches. F-I-N-N point. Now tell me, if R is 5, what is the whole thing? What is the diameter? Yes, Zishan? If this is 5, what is
10.
Very good. Excellent, Yazishan. This is what I wanted the answer. It is 10. 10 diameter equals 2 times of 5. That is equal 10 inches. So now that means you know the concept. Diameter equals 2 times 5, 10 inches. Okay. It's not pi over d. This is wrong. It has to be pi d. C equal pi d. Please calculate and tell me. Again and again I'm saying, please, you must have calculators. Pi, the value of pi is already given, 3.14. It's not given, we know that, 3.14 times d. How much d you got? You got 10. So it's very simple. You don't even have to use the calculator. If you want, you can. There is 1 0, so it will move to multiplication, means it will move to right side. So your answer is 31.4 inches. 31.4 inches square, or 31.4 inches enough. Why not square? Because we are not multiplying diameter 2 times. Done? Any question you have, girls?
No.
No.
Okay. Now question 5. This is different. I'll do question 5 here. Those who are doing in the copybook, please, you must write the page number. That is page number 444. Page number 444. All right, question number 5. The diameter, we need to find diameter. And this time, they did not give you the radius. This is unknown. All right, but they gave you the circumference. First of all, write the formula. C equals, carefully listen to this, girls. It's not that easy. C equals pi and d. I don't know d. I need to find out. I need to find out d. I don't know d. But I know C. Circumference, they gave you 10.99 feet. I just write instead of circumference 10.99. Okay, it's given in the question. I'll put equal. Pi, you know that 3.14. And D, I'll write down same. Let me write with some other color. D. All right. Anyways. So what do you think, girls? Where will this 3.14 go? Yes, Noor? If I want to make D alone, if I want to make this D alone, where will this 3.14 go? It's multiplication. It will come to the other side and become division. So 10.99 over 3.14, that is nothing but equals D. .99 over 3.14 equals D. So when you divide this, please tell me when you divide this, what do you get?
.5.
Okay, 3.5 feet. So the diameter is D equal 3.15 feet. So it's just like algebra, girls. Sometimes they will give you C and sometimes they will give you D. If they give you C, find D. If they give you D, find C. It's just we will divide the circumference with the pi to get diameter. We will divide circumference with the pi value, that is 3.14, to get diameter. Done? Done, girls?
Yes.
Others?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Miral, you got it? And I'll clear all the dots.
Yes.
And each one of you will tell me the formula for what is circumference. Circumference equal pi d. Yes, Jyoti, what is the circumference of a circle? What is the circumference of a circle? Judy? Dana? What is the circumference of the circle? What is that formula? Dana?
Yeah.
Circumference of a circle, what is it? What should I do to find circumference of a circle? I need the answer or else I'm not doing next question. Zishan, what should I do to find circumference of a circle?
Yes, Miss.
What should I do to find circumference of a circle? What is the formula? C equals
P equals 3
pi.
14.
Yes, very good. 3.14, that is pi. What should I multiply with? Equals pi what? Miral,
Yes.
tell me C equals pi. What did I multiply? Noor,
Sure.
C equals pi what?
C equals pi d.
Very good. So that means only I taught Noor in the class. And again, maybe anyone can see the video. Maybe I'm repeating this 10 times. This is the basic formula. Circumference of a circle. You have to multiply pi, that is 3.14, to the diameter, to d. Again, I'm calling out names. Please tell me. Circumference of a circle is pi times diameter, pi d. And the value of pi is 3.14. Come on. Dana, Zishan, Miral.
Yes.
Please tell me what is the, and what do you call, Zishan told me almost half of the answer correct. So Zishan, you can complete first. C equal
P equals 3.14.
3.14 multiplied by D. Miral, what is the circumference? How many full revolutions does a car tire with a diameter of 25 inches makes the car travel on 1 mile? First of all, I need to know the circumference of a circle. This is my circle tire and the diameter is given this time. They directly gave you the diameter as 25 inches. They gave you 25 inches. Okay. Now, circumference equal pi, that is 3.14. Simple. You will take the circumference, you will take the value of pi, and you will multiply with d. D is 25. Calculate and tell me. Miral, calculate this and tell me now. Miral,
Yes.
calculate this with your calculator and tell me. 3 times 1, 4 times 25. How much it is? I'm waiting for your answer.
78.
78.5. 78.
0.5.
This is the circumference of the circle. Now, if I multiply, they said 1 mile. They said 1 mile. 1 mile is how many revolutions? Let us check that. Let us check 1 mile is how many revolutions. One 1008.44. If the tire has a 20-inch diameter, multiply 20 by 3.14 to get so much inches. Finally, divide 63,360 inches per mile to find the resolutions per mile. For example, I got, so I will divide this by, wait a minute, yes. No. I will take this number and I'll divide with, well, how much did you get? You got as, you told me 78.5. 3.14 times 25. 14, 6.28. 25, 78.5. So 63360 divided by, all right, 8.7807. Almost like girls, this is the standard thing. This is the standard thing that 1 mile, it's given here, 1 mile, 1 mile is 63,360 inches per mile. 1 mile is 63,360 inches. So I write on here, 1 mile is 63,360 360 inches. And they have asked you that so many revolutions will give you how much? So 78.5 is the circumference of the circle. So for that, it will give you 807. When you divide and multiply by 100, you get 807 full revolutions. Full revolutions. This you need to memorize the value, but girls, that's why I just put a cross to this question. I solved it and told you how you got it. But you don't need to remember 63,360. You cannot do that. Coming to next question. Come on. One by one, you will do this with me. Let me start with Noor. Everyone, look at it, how Noor does it, and you will follow it because I will ask you next. Find the circumference of the circle. Use pi as a part of your answer. That means don't calculate pi, just tell me circumference equals. Yes, Noor, what is circumference equal?
Pi d.
Excellent. This is what you all have to know, girls. Circumference equals to pi d. All right. They said you don't put the value of pi. Let's it, use the pi as an answer. So what is the diameter here in the question? Or in
7.
Yeah. So directly you will just write 7 pi. You will write 7 pi. This is your answer. Next, Zishan. Zishan, how much is the diameter for question number 8?
10.
Look at this. They gave you the whole thing. They didn't give you the radius. Diameter.
20.
The thing is 20. Yes, they gave you directly. If they don't give you that time, you will double the radius. Okay. What is the formula? C equals?
C equals 5.
C equals pi. Better
D.
write it. 1 second. C equals pi d. All right. Pi d. So what is d? What is d? C equal, instead of pi, I'll write 3.14. And what is d given here? How much is d in the question? How much is the diameter, Zishan? You just told me. Where is this lady? Zishan, question number 8. You told me the diameter. How much is the diameter?
20.
Yes. Tell me the answer. Calculate and tell me the answer.
Okay. It's
62.8.
62.8.
62.8. Very good. That is the answer. 62.8 feet.
Miss
60.
what's it's written 62.83.
Okay. Because maybe they took more, 3.14 have so many numbers. So maybe they took that. Because it is 3.142 sometimes. So if I do 3.142 times 20, so we get something 62.84 or 8. Okay, leave that. Your answer is correct. That's why I asked you to multiply 62.8 feet. Okay, so did you write this? Page 445.
Yeah.
Done. Can I go for question number 9?
Yes.
Miral? Miral?
Yes.
Solve question 9 with me. What is the circumference?
Okay.
What is the formula? C equals what? I will write down. C equals pi d. Repeat with me, Miral. C equals pi d. Repeat with.
C equals pi d.
Okay. This is the formula. Circumference of a circle is always pi. Now you'll say, what is this pi? Pi, the value of pi is 3.14. Always. All right. And d is the diameter.
Okay.
Now, did they give you the diameter here or did they give you the radius? Is this the diameter or is it the radius here, Miral? See, diameter will be always all of it, not half of it. So they gave me radius here in this question. What did they give you? They gave you r equal, they gave you here r equals 12. But do you need r or do you need d? From the formula, I want d.
I need d.
So what is d? If half is 12, what is the full? If half is 12, what is the full line? Zisha, Miral. See, when from here to here, it is 12. What is from here to here again? Double it. Double this number here, Miral.
Oh, okay.
See, this is the half here, Miral. This is the half. Now more half I have to go to know the diameter. So what is
24?
very good? It is 24. Why did I do 24 here, Miral? Because this was only the radius. But I don't want r, I want d. So d means double of r. Double of this half value. Okay. Now here I did not do double.
Okay.
Why I did not do it double in this question above? Because it was given the full line. Here they did not give you the full line. They give you half. So it is 24. Very good, Yamira. So now I got D equals 24. 24 mi. Mi. All right. So now let us substitute C equals, what is pi? Tell me why pi is 3.14. Miral, what is pi?
3.14.
Always. This will never change. This pi will always, maybe after 10 years, 100 years, pi will always be 3.14. Multiply with d. What is d in the question? What did you find d?
24.
24. So please calculate. Do you have your calculator or no?
Yes.
Yeah, calculate 3.14 times 24. 75.36 mi. Now girls, this is one answer, or you can just directly, if you don't write the value of pi, you can just write 24 pi mi. 24 pi mi. 24, because they told in the question to find with pi, but I wanted you to solve it here, Mira. That's why I did the question the other way. 24 pi mi. That's it with the class. See you after 5 minutes in the science class.